I'm very excited to announce to the public that Pohick Regional Library is reopening on January 7th, 2017, and we'd like to invite everyone out, the community, to participate in the ribbon cutting ceremony. Pohick Library has been undergoing a renovation for a little over a year, and we are currently reorganizing, and the public library is moving all their books back, and we'll be ready to have the public community being able to use this facility again. So we're very excited, and we hope they enjoy all the changes and modifications and upgrades that we've made to the facility. So our renovation included, with the exception of keeping the original building structure and shell, it's pretty much a brand new building, from finishes to lighting to spaces. We reorganized it, so we did create a separate teen center that's going to have computer games for the teens specifically. They have their own internet stations. We've also got a separate children's station and seating. With the additional lighting upgrades, the overall facility should feel much more welcoming and inviting. We've got great places, group study, we've got quiet study areas, we've got a new Wi-Fi bar that allow people to come in and just relax. We've got lots of new seating for everyone, for the community to enjoy. For more information, please go to the fairfaxcounty.gov/libraries website, and there you'll find library hours, address information, and all the information about the reopening.